Hi, Kevin McNabb here. Welcome back to my personal development video series. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself why you make the decisions that you do? Most people actually think that their life is driven by the goals that they set, but the truth really is your values and beliefs are the hidden engine that steer your future. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uncover your deepest values, challenge your beliefs that hold you back, and clarify what truly matters so you can live a life aligned with purpose and confidence. Stick around until the end, because what I'll do is share a very simple exercise you can do today that will give you instant clarity on your personal values. So here's the 10 things I want to cover in the area of values and beliefs. Why do they matter? Well, very simply, they shape your identity, they shape your decisions, and they shape your long-term direction. Pretty critical. So what's the difference between a value and a belief? Well, your value or values are guiding principles. Okay? Beliefs are assumptions about the world. Okay? Keyword there is assumptions. Living against your core values creates inner conflict. Have you ever felt that before? What you need to do is challenge old narratives that keep you stuck. That's how beliefs can empower or limit you. So how is the role of self-awareness in personal development? Awareness is the first step to clarity and change. That's how we can make a difference in ourselves. Identify your core values. For instance, are you honest? Do you want to grow? How do you feel about your family? What about freedom? Contribution? What are your core values? Do you know? You might want to look into that. Clarifying limiting versus empowering beliefs. What you want to do immediately is replace I can't with I'm capable of learning. Okay? That big difference will change your life in itself. How to prioritize what matters most? Rank your top 5 values and compare with current actions. Words and thoughts are one thing, actions are another. Align your daily actions with values. Small, consistent steps prove your values are real, not just words. The long-term impact of living by values and beliefs: greater fulfillment, resilience, confidence, and authenticity. Now, if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment below, share one of your top personal values, and if you're truly serious about personal development, click the link in the description below and you'll get it started on your journey today. I look forward to serving you. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.